Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Karibuni tena kwa My Mastery Tutor. Leo kama kawaida yetu tutafanya hii mock paper Allied Joints Mock Arithmetic Progression. So hapo umeambiwa answer only 5 questions. So we'll go question after question, posting question after question, and then tukifika section 1 tutafanya the whole section live, then we'll do a lot of papers that way. Question 17. The first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression are p squared over 6. Hii swali ni kuhusu arithmetic progression, which is series and sequences. So the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression are p squared over 6, 2p minus 6, and p respectively. Question A. Given that the common difference of the AP is not 0, find the value of p. Find the value of p. Okay, so let's find the value of p. Given that the common difference of the AP is not 0, find the value of p. So now, for this question, hapo wewe kuna akili yako utafikiria sijui sum is given by this formula. Hii tutaifanya, the formula application tutaitumia kwa question B. But the thing that you should know that this is your sequence here. And usually what you know that there's something called common difference. Common difference ni nini? Ni the difference between the second and the first term, or the difference between the third and the second term. So, niche hapa nimekosea, but niandike p, nimeandika 6. So this one minus this one gives you d, and also this one minus this one gives you common difference. Very easy. So hapa tutafanya nini? Tutajibu vipi hili swali? Sio wajiuliza swali ngumu, si swali ngumu, swali rahisi. Yahitaji tu ufikirie na yahitaji bongo. Tuendelee. So tumesema second minus third, tunasema second minus first itakuwa common difference, and also ukichukua third minus second bado pia itakuwa common difference. So tuchukue the second. The second ni 2p minus 6 minus, si lazima weke bracket hapa, hata maana ukifungua bado itakuwa hivi, minus p squared over 6 is equal to the third minus the second. P minus, sasa hapo wafa uandike bracket kwa sababu kuna vitu viwili, minus into bracket 2p minus 6. So hapa itakuwa p, ukifungua the bracket itakuwa p minus 2p plus 6. Na hapa itakuwa 2p minus 6 minus p squared over 6. Sasa hii 6 nataka kuitoa, lakini first collect like term kabla tujaenda kutoa hizo. So p minus 2p ni minus p plus 6, na hapa ni 2p minus 6 minus p squared over 6. Tutoa hii 6 ambayo iko kwa denominator, or multiply na 6 kote. So times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So in which ukiandika vizuri 6 times 2p ni 12p minus 36 minus p squared, ile 6 itatoka, sawa, na hapa itakuwa minus 6p plus 36. Mpaka hapa tumeelewana. So you collect like terms. So but let's write it vizuri, tuiandike vizuri. So hivi inavyoandikwa, inavyopaswa kuandikwa, sawa. Collect like terms. How do you collect like terms? Right. So hizi namba zote zipeleke zilete the other side, ama hizi hapa zote zilete the other side. So ukipeleka the other side, utaanza na positive p squared, 12p inakuwa negative 12p, negative, alafu itafuatiliwa na negative 6p ambayo iko on the right side. Haujapeleka kote, that is why the sign hasn't changed. Lakini ile minus 36 on the right side ukipeleka itakuwa ni positive 36 plus 36 ambayo bado iko on the right side, so nothing has changed on that. Number is equal to 0. So p squared minus 12p minus 6p gives you minus 18p plus 36 plus 36 gives you plus 72, which is equivalent to 0. Sum ni gani na product ni gani? Sawa? Sum yako ikiwa coefficient ya p squared ni 1, sum yako ni ile namba ambayo iko katikati. So which is negative 18. Product ikiwa coefficient ya p squared ni 1, product yako itakuwa the last digit, which is 72. So, or you can do like 1 times 72, bado itakupa 72 as your product. So your product is the first coefficient times the last coefficient, which is 72. So basically what I'm doing is solving this quadratic equation, because ukiona this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equivalent to 0. So there are many ways that you can solve, either completing square or quadratic formula, whichever way. Mimi natumia sum product. So namba gani mbili nikiadd itanipa negative 18, and which two similar numbers nikimultiply itanipa 72. Sio? Which two numbers are those? So there are many combination. Ukiona hapo kwa combination ya 72 itakupa kuna ya 236, sawa, kuna ya 3, so let's say negative 2, negative 36. Kuna gani nyingine? Kuna negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, ngapi? Negative 3, 24, and negative 24, most probably see hiyo pia. Kuna negative 4, 4 ingia kwa 72 mara ngapi? I think 18. Negative 4 na negative 18, but you can confirm kama labda nimekosea, but most probably yeah, negative 4, negative 18. Kuna negative 5, no, kuna negative 6, negative ngapi? 672 divided by 6, 12, negative 12. So ukiona hii the only option, negative 6 minus 12 itakupa negative 18, na ukimultiply itakupa 72. So kufactorize hii ni rahisi. Once ushapata hii, if the coefficient for p squared is 1, the easiest way to factorize, utaandika p minus 6, utaweka hii hapa, na and your other factor utaandika p minus 12, which is equivalent to 0. Haina haja ufikirie sana. So your first p, hii itakuwa ni p minus 6 equal to 0, and p gives me 6. Na kuna p minus 12 equal to 0, and which p gives me positive 12. So, but now in nini una two answers, but hapo huwezi kuwa na two answers. Why? Because the question specifically says that the common difference of the AP is not 0. So the common difference of the AP is not 0. So let's say kwa mfano tuchukue hii hapa. Let's take one of them. So wacha tuchukue hii. Let's use another one. Let's use this one. So kwa sababu hiyo yatupa common difference here. Okay, let's use this one. So ukitumia hii kutafuta common difference, si hii ya kupa common difference. Sa hii let's use 1p equal to 6. So 6 minus into bracket 2 times 6 minus 6. So itakuwa 6 minus 12 minus 6. So which basically becomes 6 minus 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 minus 6, which is 0. So at the end point utapata kuwa hii p equal to 0, ukitumia kutafuta common difference itakupa common difference of 0. So therefore we ignore 6 to be p, so we won't use it. But automatically ukitumia ya 12 itakupa common difference which is not 0. Without confirm the same thing, you'll confirm it. Utaeka p has 12, so ni 12 minus 2 times 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 24 minus 6, so which gives us 18. So 12 minus 18 itakuwa negative something. Sio? 12 minus 18 itakuwa negative 6. To al-aqal yamaanisha kuwa the answer should not be what? Should not be 6. So your P basically at the end of the day ni 12. So P ni ngapi? Ni 12. Tuendelee na swali la pili. Question B umeulizwa find the 20th term of the AP, which is very easy. To find the nth term utatumia hii formula A plus N minus 1 times D. Sawa? So you are finding the 20th term. But mwanzo lazima tujue A yetu ni nini. Right? Na A yetu was given by the expression of P squared over 6. Ndio ilikuwa A yetu. So waja hapa watafuta A. Our A is given by this P squared over 6 ndo A yetu. So P tayari wajua ni 12. So 12 squared divided by 6. 144 divided by 6. 144 divided by 6 itakupa ngapi? Itakupa around, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 2 something. It gives you 30. Itakupa 36. So, no, it won't give you even 36. 144 divided by 6 itakupa 24. Just like I've guessed ile ya 5 ni 2 something, which is 24. So A yako D yetu ilikuwa ni nini? Sio? Wajiuliza bado tutafanya D even though tulifanya lakini nimefuta. So I don't know D yetu ilikuwa nini. So let's take this, the third minus the second. Kutafuta difference tutachukua third minus the second, which is P minus into bracket 2P minus 6. I think I'm correct. Yes, I'm correct. So P yetu, which is basically just P minus 2P plus 6, which is minus P plus 6. So P yetu tutajua ni 12. So ni negative 12 plus 6. Na common difference itakuwa ni negative 6. So common difference yetu ni negative 6. Plus sum yetu ni 24. So let's substitute it in this formula. So A 24 plus N, which is 20, minus 1 times your common difference ya negative 6. Sawa paka hapo. Nadhani tuko chonjo. So 24 plus 19 times negative 6. So let's start with multiplication. So 19 times negative 6 itakupa negative 144. So 24 minus 144. Okay. Which gives us a negative 90. So answer rahisi ba. Tuendelee. That is our 20th term. Question C, the last question. Before we enter another question. So calculate the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP. Sum watafuta vipi? Simple. Sum is given by n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times your common difference. So sum ya 20 terms, n ni 20 divided by 2 into bracket a yetu tutajua. A yetu tulitafuta, a yetu tukasema ni nini? Ni 24. So waja hapa 2 times your a, which is 24, plus n, which is minus 1, which is 20 minus 1, times your common difference, which is negative 6. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 24 times 2 is 48. Plus 19 times negative 6. So negative 144. So equal to 10 times 48, negative 114. So 48 minus 114 times 10, which gives us at the end of the day, negative 660. So that is your sum. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, but still we are continuing on the second question, which is question most probably 18 or 19. But do follow us, do follow up with us at my anniversary Twitter. So, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.